So, good morning to all, dear children. Today, we would be starting with the sixth chapter of political science, that is, political parties. A very interesting chapter. Here, in this chapter, you will study, first of all, the meaning of political parties. What is the need and importance of political parties in a democratic setup? And how different political parties they function. This is what you will study in this chapter. Now, before we study this chapter in detail, first of all, you all should know the meaning of political party. Now, what is a political party? A political party, actually, it is a group of people who have a definite agenda. They have some common ideas, some common views about the way our country should be governed. And they intend to come to power in the government. So basically, you can say that political party is a group of people who share some common ideas. They have some common views about how a country should be governed. They share some common policies which they want to implement once they will come to power. The members of a particular party, they work together, they introduce new laws, and they can also alter the old laws. They can also bring changes in the old laws. And they make various policies, they make various programs through which they try to convince the people that their party is the best. Through their policies and programs, they try to convince people and try to win their support. And it is through the support of common people that a particular party, after winning election, it will come to power. And once the political party will come to power, it will implement all the policies and programs that they have made. Thus, every party, it reflects fundamental political division in a society. Every party has different policies for which they work. There are some parties that work for the upliftment of women. There are some parties who work for the upliftment of backward classes. So different political parties, they work for a particular cause. This is known as partisanship. Partisanship means that they focus on particular issue. Every political party has got a particular issue for which they work, on which they focus. And this is known as partisanship. And a party is known by which part it stands for, which policy it supports, and whose interest it upholds. So as I told you that different political parties, they have different agendas on which they focus their attention. And they work to fulfill these agendas. They definitely work for different causes. As I told you, some want to work for the upliftment of women, some want to work to especially eradicate poverty. So they work for various issues, and on the basis of these issues, a party becomes popular among the people. And people vote to that political party whose policies and programs they find the best to be followed in the country. So this is all about your political party. Now let us come to the main components of political party. A political party has three main components. The first is leader, the second is active member, and the third is follower. So now let us study what are the roles played by these three components of a political party. My voice is audible and clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now let us study who is a leader. Leaders are basically those people who lead the party. They actually take all the important decisions. They make policies, and at the same time, they also decide that which member would contest election from their party. So, in short, you can say that leaders, they are the major decision makers. For example, Narendra Modi, he is the leader of BJP party. So leaders, they are basically the ones who take major decisions and help in formulating important policies. Second, we have active members. Now, who are active members? Active members, you can say that they are not leaders directly, but their contribution towards the working of political party is high. They take part in all the events of a political party. You must have seen that during the time of election, there are rallies, there is election campaign. So these active members, they are fully involved in all the major activities and all the major event of a particular party. Last, we have the followers. Now, who are the followers? Followers, you can say they are the supporters of different political parties. Those people who believe in the policies and programs of a particular party, these people support this party by voting them during election. So these are the three important components of political party: the leaders, active members, and followers.